by a dead man.
I don't understand.
The great Björn Ironside. He was dead, but he appeared in front of his army, like the resurrected Christ.
No, Igor! Not you! No!
I tried so hard and got so far.
Since it's my fate to kill you,
In the
it makes
end,
sense for me to stay with you, I
it
suppose.
doesn't even matter.
For Raifa,
I had to
connecting nothing with nothing.
lose it all.
I was there when my father
In
died.
the end,
I watched him wretched in his cage above a pit of vipers. And I heard his last words. He wanted no pity.
One thing, I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to remind myself of a time when in spite of the way you were mocking me, acting like I was part of your property, remembering all the times you fought with me, I'm surprised it got so things aren't the way they were before. You wouldn't even recognize me anymore. Not that you knew me back then, but it all comes back to me. You kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will eventually be a memory of a time when I
tried so hard and got so far. But in the end, it doesn't even matter.
But when they dig up my bones,
To fall, to lose it
I want them to
all.
say,
But
here
in
is the grave
end, it doesn't
the
even
most
matter.
famous Viking who ever lived.